Hey guys, this is Martin for Take a Look Pool, and today I have a little package to unbox and unwrap with you. So let's take a look at what's inside. I am actually quite curious myself. How does one open this? Huh. I don't even know. So I've been waiting for this package for quite some time. I think I ordered it about a month ago, and it's been held at customs, although I've been promised that it will not be held at customs, because it arrived from Belgium. Yeah, I guess this is where they tell me that it has been definitely at customs. Where is like the top and where's the bottom of this? I'm a little perplexed. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this might be it. Well, they really wrapped it well, I can tell you that. Perhaps too well, if you ask me. Okay, I'm really struggling with this. All right, I think I may have got inside. Okay, so let's take a look at what this is. So, fully sealed light engine. I wonder what they're trying to say. Portable projector, which is what I'm hoping for this to be. Doesn't say much on the side. At the top, again, just portable projector, fully sealed light engine. Okay. Black foam. Oh, the cutest little remote. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this is nice. Teeny tiny. Fits very nicely into the hand. Let's see what battery goes inside. Oh, okay, I think it's 2 AAA batteries. Hopefully I have some of those. Second part is the power, and I think this is the American one. I don't really have, I might have, hopefully I have some sort of a cable. Oh, but I think I can just use whatever cable that I have at home. All right, so that's the power. Oh, cool, free batteries. That's going to come in handy. And now, this is the projector. So it's really tiny, as you can see. And it's so pretty. This is what it looks like. At the rear side, there is a USB. That's where the power goes in, and HDMI. And the last one says AV. I guess this is an adjustment of the lens. One button at the top, one speaker, another speaker, and this is the lens. And I assume probably, oh, it says designed by Gorilla Design, made in China. And the model number is T2 free. All right. Oh, and at the front it says Wanbo. As far as I know, this comes from Xiaomi, so it should be quite a nice product. You can expect a review coming sometime soon. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers.